Welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pair Anker Soundcore Life A1 earbuds with your iPhone. So at the first you have to remember to charge the case and earbuds itself, inside, at least to the 50%. And another step is to open the case, take them off from this charging case, and right here you will find indicators here and here, and you have to click and hold both earbuds. When they blinks on the white, you can simply release these buttons, and right now one of them will start blinking like that. It means that the device is in the pairing mode and it's visible to other devices. It's ready to pair. So just put them back, go for the settings on your iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see right now, the Soundcore Life A1 from Anker appears on the list. So when you tap once, you will be able to connect them, and there it is. As you can see right now, we are connected. Unfortunately, you cannot use any application for them, so any additional features are not available. But that's how you can connect them. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.